Hi friends, today I'm back with another Sindhi recipe. It's Swanjhre ji bhaji or drumstick flower curry or Moringa flowers curry. This is supposed to be one of the delicacy of the Sindhi cuisine. We all look forward to the winter because these flowers are available only in winter just for a couple of months. Though cleaning these flowers is a tedious job, but the end result when you make the curry and enjoy it, it's worth the effort. So let's go and make the drumstick flower curry. Swanjhre ji bhaji. For the bhaji, we will require salt as needed, red chilli powder half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, and garam masala powder half teaspoon. Oil 3 tablespoons. The other ingredients are coriander leaves for garnishing, yogurt 3 tablespoons, caramelized onion paste Daag. Now this video I have already uploaded, you can check it out. Here we have to fry the onions till brown, add ginger, garlic, green chilies, tomato and cook it and blend it after cooling. You can check out the video, link is given. These are the Swanjhro flowers, drumstick or Moringa flowers. What I do is I clean them and freeze them in Ziploc bags because the cleaning takes a very long time. It's tedious process. It took me about, for 1 kilo of flowers, it took more than an hour. Then I boil them, cool them and freeze them in the Ziploc bags. Whenever you want to use, you can just defrost them, put them in hot water and they become nice and fresh. You can use them to make bhaji, raita or whatever you want. Check out the video. So here I have defrosted the flowers and put them in hot water. Once they are soft, you can drain them. Strain and drain out the water. Now we can proceed to make the curry. Swanjhre ji bhaji. This is about 400 grams. After boiling, it becomes about 1 cup. Heat a little oil in a pan. I have taken about 3 tablespoons. Reduce the flame and first add the spice powders. All the powders except the garam masala, which we will be adding towards the end. This way the flavor is enhanced. The masalas give out a lovely flavor when they are fried a bit in the oil. But do this on a low flame, otherwise they'll get burnt and become black. Just a second or so. Once they start bubbling, you dip in the onion paste. I'm using half cup onion paste for 1 cup of flowers. Now with a spatula, continue to stir till all the spices are nicely mixed up with the onion paste. Add the salt to taste. Give it a nice stir again to mix everything. We'll simmer it for a little while so that it gets cooked well. You can see now the oil is separating. Now at this stage, we'll add the yogurt, whisked yogurt, about 3 tablespoons. Stir it immediately to avoid the curdling. When you are adding the curd, bring the gas to a low temperature. Reduce it to low so that it doesn't curdle. Quickly mix it well, and once it gets blended, we can increase the flame. We'll allow this to cook also for a while and then add the flowers, pre-boiled flowers. Saute them. These flowers are only available in winter, so to enjoy them later, you can just boil them and freeze them in Ziploc bags. I have also posted a video on this, you can check it out. Cover and allow them to cook. After a couple of minutes, stir it. Now this has to be cooked until the water dries up. It's nearly getting done. Cover it again for a little while. Now check the salt. You can see now the water is dried up and the oil is also separating. Finally, you add the garam masala and some coriander leaves. Give it a stir to mix the garam masala. And again, we are going to cover and simmer for about half a minute so that the masala gets cooked a bit. The curry is almost done. This is such a delicacy. Sindhis really love this Swanjhre ji Bhaji. We look forward to the winter season so that we can enjoy it. Now let's dish it out. This goes well with the rotis. So friends, hope you like this Swanjhre ji Bhaji drumstick flower curry. Do give it a try if you get hold of flowers in your part of the world. If you get them, you must give it a try. Garnish with some coriander leaves and then serve. These flowers, drumstick flowers, are very nutritious, just like the moringa leaves, which are used these days a lot. Make and enjoy. So thank you for watching, friends. We'll soon be back with another recipe. Those of you who are new, do subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some of the videos from my archives. You might have missed them, so do watch them. Thank you. Have a great day.